just typing a name, like say John, and you get paid, and another one, and you get paid. Now, I'm here to tell you that this is possible, and people are making a decent amount of money by just typing names. There is no limit to how much you can earn with this method. This is so easy. It's free to sign up, and the method I'm about to show you is available worldwide, and it's tested and it's legit. You can even start now because you only need an internet-enabled mobile phone or a computer and you're set to go. Hey guys, welcome to Money Machine. Here we will be guiding you with an exact step-by-step process on how you could start making money online. Make sure to subscribe to the channel and turn on the bell notification as you don't want to miss on new ways to making money online. And if you want to know how I make money online, then check out the first link in the description to get started. Now, let's get straight into the video. You can earn by typing names. You won't believe it until you look at the calculator on this website. When you click on the drop-down menu showing the rate per word, you'll realize that you can earn 5 cents by typing just one name. Now, considering that a standard page has about 300 words, it means therefore that you can earn $15 per page by just typing, and that's a great opportunity of earning money online. If you type 5 pages of names, you earn $75. And if you type 20 pages, you earn $300. The more pages of names you type on the website I'm about to show you, the more you get paid. To get started, visit the talentsr.com website. This website is absolutely free to join. You don't need money to get started, and you can work from home. When you scroll down this website, you'll realize that there are several ways you can earn. For instance, there are freelance blogging jobs, online proofreading jobs, online paid survey jobs, and medical transcription jobs, among others. However, for our case, we're going to focus on the online typing jobs category, which is also available on this website. You might be wondering why we are settling on online typing, right? Well, online typing is one of the easiest jobs you can do on this website, and it requires no experience or tech skills. You only need to follow through all the steps in this video, and you'll be on your way to earning while just at home. When you look at the description of online typing jobs, the website reads, you can earn up to $4 to $5 to $90 or more per day. Now, that's a great opportunity that just about everyone would be interested in. The next step is to click on the online typing jobs category, and this page opens. Scroll down and see just how much top-rated typists get paid on this website. And you can see here that you can earn up to $13,500 to $27,000 or more per year. You can tell that indeed this is a good opportunity to make money online anywhere in the world. Scroll down and you'll see a menu on joining fee. Don't about that. There isn't no fee you're going to pay, as the registration is absolutely free. And there is no any hidden cost before or after joining. The good thing about this website is that it's very transparent and will tell you exactly what you should expect even before you sign up. For instance, when you scroll down, you can see the pay rates for typing work. This has been categorized into different levels, ranging from beginner, intermediate, professional, and expert levels. However, the rate per word also tends to vary depending on the company, nature of work, and the accuracy level. Your level determines your pay. As you can see, beginners get paid a low rate compared to experts. But I have a hack here to help you get paid a higher rate. Just follow through till the end to learn the secret. If you like the video so far, then make sure to smash that like button and also subscribe to the channel so that you don't miss out on new ways of making money online. Also, leave a comment down below and let me know if this method has helped you earn money in any way. Let's get back to the video. Now, one secret strategy that can help increase your earnings on online typing jobs is getting a certificate from a website called ratatype.com. Simply visit their homepage and take a free typing test. Now, this typing test is important because, at the end of it, you'll get a certificate absolutely free. Maybe you're wondering why you need a typing certificate. Well, the typing certificate is enough to boost your income and your earning rate per page. Even if you're new to the website and you have a typing certificate, you'll be quickly approved for more jobs with higher rates per page. This will help you to easily earn as high as $15 per page and $300 per day by just typing names. Now, once you're at the homepage of ratatype.com, all you need to do is to click on the yellow button, and a page will open with a space where you can start typing on your computer to test your speed of typing. The moment you start typing on the website, they'll calculate the number of words you can type per minute and your accuracy. Once you're through, they'll give you a summary of your typing speed and accuracy. It's important to keep your accuracy high to give you more credit. If you fail, you still have the chance to go back to the website and redo the test to get a high typing speed and accuracy. The moment you're satisfied with the results, you can go ahead and sign up for a free account at ratatype.com by filling in your name, email address, and password, and accepting the terms of service. After successfully signing up, log into your ratatype.com account and you'll see your results indicating your average typing speed per minute and your accuracy. Scroll down the dashboard and you'll see your certificate. Just click on the certificate and you'll see a button for print, and when you click on it, the certificate will download to your computer. However, if you still feel the results are not good, you can click on the Improve Your Score button to allow you to redo the typing test. Now that we have the typing certificate, it's time to register and start applying for the typing jobs at talentsr.com. But first, we need to sign up for an account at talentsr.com. To do that, just open the talentsr.com website. On the home page, scroll down and click on Online Typing Jobs. This will open a new page. Scroll down and click on the red button, which says Apply Now. A new page opens with several steps, but just click on the first step, which says Select an application form. On the new page, click on Online Application Form. This will bring you here, where you can now scroll down and click on the red link, which says Fill in your details to apply and work with us. This opens an online registration form where you can now fill in your details. You'll begin by checking the box at the top to accept the privacy policy. You can now go ahead and fill in your personal information starting with your name, email address, contact number, and country. You can even scroll through and you'll be surprised that this website accepts people from all over the world. The next step is to fill in your professional information, and this is where most people go wrong. So be sure to pay attention here. If you guys are enjoying the video so far, then make sure to smash that like button and subscribe to the channel to never miss out on new ways to make money online. The first thing is to fill in your preferred job title, and in our case, it will be online typing. Scroll down and choose the time that's best for you. You can choose any time that you think is suitable for you to work, but the trick is to choose all day so that you can get more job opportunities in the category that you selected. This ideally translates to more earnings. Go ahead and choose the best way to receive earnings from the list. There's PayPal, Payoneer, Skrill, Direct Deposit, and Wire Transfer. All these options are possible, but be sure to choose a method of payment that is best in your country and with low transaction fees. Scroll down and choose your current professional status. For instance, you can choose freelancer, self-employed, or even unemployed. Then scroll down and check the contract agreement box to confirm you've read and agreed to the terms of service. The last step is to append your signature by simply writing in your name and then checking to confirm you're not a robot. You can now submit your online application form. If accepted, you'll begin to receive typing jobs that you can handle and earn money while in the comfort of your home. You'll be surprised that just typing names on one page, which is about 300 words, can earn you $15. If you type 20 pages of names each day, you earn $300. And you can keep doing this as you keep earning. That's it for today, guys. If you like the video, then make sure to smash that like button and also subscribe to the channel to never miss out on new ways to make money online. And if you'd like to know how I make money online, then make sure to check out the first link in the description box to get started.